Hey, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So last class we have seen how to create a basic Streamlit application using a Python. So today's session we will go in deeper and advanced manner of the Streamlit. So today we will see how to create an interactive sales dashboard using a Streamlit, okay, with the Python code. So this is a basic code. I have attached this code in our comment section, okay. So you can see in the description part where it refer to my github.com, so that you can refer the code and then you can easily build your Streamlit application from your end. Okay, so I'll jump on to the code explanations. So this is what I have created for basic example. So as usual, right, so where we will start with the importing our libraries. So main thing is for this dashboard today we need three libraries. Streamlit one we know, and pandas and plotly. So Streamlit for creating the applications end to end, and the pandas for your reading the CSV file or Excel file to the data frame. And then finally we are using plotly for the plotting the content, right, the charts and everything. So this is the library we call, and then next we will be using the title section. The last class also we have seen, right, to run and show like in the title. So we have to call as a title, okay, st.title. So if you use this one, so it will able to see it in the this way, like as a title manner. Okay, so I just ran. I'll show you how to run also. And then next is I just need some features in the left hand side panel, right? So whatever we do, any charts creation or any dashboard creation, we will be having some other functions to like drop down all those things, right? So for that we have to use the sidebar. So if you use sidebar, what it does means, right, whatever you see here, right, that there is a column will be here in the left side panel. If you use only sidebar, then it will come here. If you're not using a sidebar, it will be come here in the middle panel. Okay, so you have to use the sidebar. In the sidebar only you do the select box. So select box is nothing but you will be having a multiple values into that, so that user can drop down using that one. Okay, so select box is nothing for drop down. So I'll show you now. You see here, select region, west, east, central, south, right? So this is what we have to define. So let's assume that you are selecting some of the region, and then you need the category. It's fall under categories from the columns, right? So user can select single or multi selection columns also, categories also. So by the time we have to define its multi select, so that user can select more than one category. So as of now we have three categories. You see here, you can select more categories, so that sales dashboard also will be play on top of our selections only. Okay, so this is called multi select. And then I'll just jump onto the data set. So data set, if you see here, it is in load data. So load data is nothing but I'm just creating an empty function where it will read the CSV from the sample superstore.csv. So just quickly open the file, right? This is our CSV file. Order ID and order date, ship mode, customer ID. This is some dummy data I just used it. Okay. So next is load data. Load data is nothing but loading the data into our data frame, right? And then we have region selections. So region selection not equal to all means it will be selected as a region. Whatever predefined, it will be there. Predefined data will be there. And the next is category. So category is nothing but if region is selected in all, then it will include the selected region, correct? If any category is selected, the filter data include only that particular categories only. Okay, what it means that, so you are selecting a region, fine. What we are saying here, the category will be multi-category, right? Multi-select, furniture and office suppliers. You see here, is in function will take more than two parameter ID from the data frame. So whenever category is selected, that particular ID and values only will be shown in the UI. And then what we are doing here, matrices, right? So matrices is nothing but here what it does, the sum of the sales column in the filter data set, and this is sum of the profit column from the filter data set. And this particular lines, right? So here the values are displayed using std, right, at formatted as currency manner. And below we are defining the visualization part, where here this one is nothing but setting the x-axis to the subcategory and setting the y-axis to the sales category. And the color we can choose here that bar chart, right, which category coloring we have to do. And this is the mode we are checking that we are using a bar chart here. And this line will do, right, like a chart then display using this particular line. Same way we are defining below also the title of the chart, and then which column specific we have x-axis and y-axis, and color themes, and size equal to quantity is nothing but the size of the each point correspond to the quantity column. Okay, and then hover name, this is nothing but hovering over the point, the subcategory name will appear in the dashboard. And then this one was like a displaying use purpose, we are using this chart. Yeah, I would like to show you the data set, how it looks like. So this is the data set, right, which we are going to use it in the background for our sales interactive dashboard. Okay. And how to run the Streamlit app, this is my location where I stored my file. So directly I go to the Anaconda prompt, I already ran, I came to the path, and then to run any of the Streamlit application file, there is a command called Streamlit run the file name, so it will automatically open in the browser. So just quickly go through here. So once you open here, so this will be the automatic features that it already shows all. So now if I choose all, the all category from the data set it shows, right? If you see here, x-axis already we set for subcategory and y-axis for sale. So bookcases, if you see here, 261, the bar chart will be displaying according to that. Same way for scatter plot, we are doing that sales versus profit, right? Same way I'm selecting furniture as a category. So if you see here, category furniture only two. One is nothing but bookcases and one is chairs. And these two rows alone, it will be filtered out and then it will be shown in the charts. So this is how we can interactively we can create a sales dashboard and then we can play around. Thank you for watching, team. If you have any questions or any concerns related to this creation of this app, please do it in the comment section. I'll happy to help you out. Thank you.